network information. Today we're going to show you how to find the network information so you can see if your DVR is online or not online, or if you change your cable company or your router, you might need to know how to find that information or change it. And by all means, if it's not, the videos are not working for you, you can always give us a call. Alright, so we're going to, like everything else we do, we're going to move the mouse around to activate it on the screen, and we're going to right click. And if your DVR has been powered off at any point since the last time you looked at the menu, you'll have to put your password back in and it'll take you to the screen. Alright, so we go down to main menu, the first option. We're simply going to left click on it, and it's going to take us to the main menu, and we're going to click on systems. In system, there's a couple features in here, but we're going to the network feature, and we're going to left click on the network feature, and this comes up, and this lets us know the IP address of the DVR unit. And if it's at your home, DHCP is probably enabled, and this allows the DVR to just pull the IP address from your modem or your router, whatever one is connected to. And well, sometimes when you change your internet provider, then the IP address scheme will change, and you just need to go in there and check and hit OK. And once we hit OK, it'll take a minute. Then we're just going to exit out, and it'll take us back to the main menu. From the main menu, the fastest way to check and see if your DVR is online is just to go to info and version. If your DVR is connected to the internet, it will say connected. If it's not connected to the internet, it will say probing DNS, and just simply hit OK, and that's how you check and see if your DVR is on the internet. And you also look at the back of the DVR, and there'll be where the Ethernet cable is connected to the DVR. It'll be two lights, a green light and a orange light. You can just check and see if they're blinking. That means it's communicating with the router or modem.